Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to make the free gas from the gasoline. So we just take two empty bottle of water, and this is the air pump. This is we use DC air pump with our battery. We can use the motorbike battery here to make it activate, and it will have the air flowing, and we just flow into this bottle and this water, and it will have the free gas when we put the water and the gasoline here. So now we start our installation right away. Okay, so the first we have to make the hole. So I have my special tool. So okay, now we got all hole together, and what we're going to do is just connect this pipe into each one. So this is like this. So this is the air pipe, so it will be fluid into the water here, the gasoline here, and this one is connected. As you can see, we put like this. It's not fluid into the gasoline, it's just for the air coming to in this bottle, and it will use long until at the bottom here, and the water is like a half like this, and this is the output gas that we can use. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use the glue to close all this to make sure airproof, to make sure it's not leaking air. So I'm starting to do it right away. Okay, so now it's already hot. This one is hot and firm. So I'm going to refill the water. As you know that the water have to be second step to make sure that you have security, because the gasoline is, as you know, the gasoline is a bit dangerous for you if you don't have the water for safety. So this water is keeping for your safety. Okay, so half liter, just half liter, and I start to put, this is Aromand gasoline. This one is the white gasoline. As you know, this is not used for the machine or motorbike. This one actually we use for the paint. When you have a pen to paint something and that is too hard, it's not very soft, you can put this one. We can use the aromatic gasoline. Sorry if this is wrong, but as you know that this one, if you are an engineer, you know very well, more than me. So I start to refill this one in, or if you don't have this kind of gasoline, you can use just a normal petrol or gasoline that you use with your machine or motorbike. You can use this one as well, as our last video. Okay, we have this one, the motor that we actually we use the airflow to clean the car, or anything on the table you can just clean. So this is the old one that I have, and DC motor. So I use the DC battery as well, so it's still activate. Okay, as you can see, it's strong flowing. Okay, alright, so this starting to connect the air motor, and I testing with this. Okay. right now I already test with this kind of gasoline. It's not working, so I will change the gasoline that we use with the machine. So okay, so now I will replace the gasoline. This is normal gasoline that we use with machine. So I just take it away, put in original bottle. So I fill this normal gasoline in. Now we already replaced the normal gasoline, and as we already connect the air motor, so we can start. Work right now, so we can know that this is because of the kind of gasoline. So I can try to adjust this one. Lower. Stronger. So we can use this one to cook your rice. Okay. Okay, so now I'm starting to put the stove to fry the egg for you to see and how it works and how is the consumption of the gasoline. But before I'm doing this, I would like to include the safety and security reason. We do this because we have the water here to cut off the gasoline, because if you put it directly to the stove, the gasoline could be burned, this gasoline. But we use this one to cut off the fire that being burned this one. And this is our tutorial only that we put on the table. But if we use for your home use, you should put this away at the safe place and connect this pipe longer, so you will be safe. And this is the tutorial, so I keep it on the table. So I'm starting to try it for you right away. Alright. Very strong. It is strong. So I can fry eggs right now. I keep it fast, a little bit fast to make sure my security. Okay. Okay, so now I'm starting to fry these two eggs, and I will put the rubber band here to make sure that when I finish frying these two eggs, how is the consumption of this gasoline. So we started right away to see how it consumption and how it works. Okay. strong and just hold it down. Too strong. Okay. Alright. For the oil. Okay. Wait a little bit. Okay, start. Morning sunlight. So this side is morning sunlight. I will keep it raw. I like this one very much. Okay, so right now I can. This is good. Okay, I'll put another one. Very good food. I like this one. I like this one very much. This is we call morning sunrise fried egg. Very good. So now it's okay. We can eat right now. The first I want to. Okay. So right now it is enough hot enough pan and we can eat right now this one. And, I already fried 2 eggs and it's already well done for me. This style is the morning sunrise fried egg that I like, the raw one, and it's okay for me. I like this one. And let's see the gasoline. The gasoline is consumption is very little. This one I can say maybe a cup of spoon. Oh no, yeah, like as you can see, I don't know how much this one. It's very little that I fry 2 eggs and the consumption is like this. So if we use 1 liter, I think we can spend about 10 hours, 8 or 10 hours. It depending on you open the volume of the air. So right now 2 eggs, it consumption like this. Maybe 2 spoon, 2 or 3 spoon only for this one. Okay, thank you very much for your watching our video, and I hope you will enjoy our tutorial. And make sure that if you follow our video, please do it with your own risk, because this one is just tutorial only. And if you want safety, just keep it away, keep it far away from your stove. Don't keep it near each other like me. This is only tutorial. Thank you very much. Bye. See you again next video.